guys, welcome to another video. So today's video will be a quick fall get ready with me look. So I'm ready for the fall, and I know you guys are ready for fall also. Staying in Georgia, and Georgia heat is no joke. So whatever cool weather can blow this way, I'm ready for it. So this is the look that I got. If you want to see how I got this look, please make sure you keep on watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Okay guys, jumping right into it, I'm gonna use my P. Louise Base and Rumor 4 to base my lids, and I've already did my eyebrows. For my eyes, I'm going to do a real simple look, and I'm using my Sassy Sienna's palette by Dose of Color. And I think I'm going to use this orange shade, second from last. I'm going to use that for my crease. And I'm going to take a little bit of this darker, I wouldn't say it's brown because it still has an orange undertone, and blend that in the crease also. Now for the color I have been dying to use. It's called Give a Glam, and it's by MAC Cosmetics, and it's from their Powder Kiss. It's called Powder Kiss Soft Matte Eyeshadow, and I guess it's from their powder line because they have powder liquid lips also. And I got this from Ulta, and it was $20, and I just think this is the prettiest brown shade ever. You all know I love a brown shade. So this is a fall look. What look am I going for? What look am I going for? Okay, I'm going to put this in my outer V. Oh my gosh. Y'all see that? Next on the Dose of Color palette, I'm going to take this kind of muted peach shade right here. So it'll just be, I used 1, 2, 3, the last 3 shades in the palette. And I'm going to put that in that area. Okay, for primer today, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Jelly Pop Primer in my Rimmel Stay Matte. And to get rid of this little friend we have, LA Girl, this is orange corrector. Okay, so for foundation today, we're going to use the Pat McGrath foundation. I picked this up maybe 2 weeks ago when Sephora had the welcome back sale, and I have it in deep 26, and of course you know it was $68, but with the welcome back sale, I don't even know how much I saved. I just know I didn't pay the whole $68. Let's check it out. This is my first time ever trying anything from Pat McGrath. Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation. Buildable, perfecting coverage, weightless texture, sublime satin finish, runway tested, mother approved. Let's see. And it comes with a pump and it's glass. You guys have seen this foundation before. I am just late with it. Just didn't want to pay $68. Kind of watery. I just did 3 pumps on the back of my mirror. And I'm gonna take a Morphe 439 brush. Should I take a sponge? I'm gonna take the brush because that's what I normally use. Not be something that I use every day for $68. I'm going to take my Morphe sponge. I've already dampened it. My first time trying a Morphe sponge too. So for concealer today, I'm going to take my L'Oreal Infallible in Honey and my J-Cat in Cappuccino to highlight. I think I'm going to just do the L'Oreal, not the J-Cat. While that is marinating, I'll use some Big Colossal Maybelline mascara for my lashes. And I have the Morphe 173. I'm going to take that to blend it in at first, and then I'm going to take a sponge afterwards. For setting powder, we're going to try something new. This was also on sale at Sephora. I picked up the Too Faced Translucent Caramelized Peach Powder. I had this powder, but I have it in the regular translucent, so I decided to get peach. And of course, this is nothing new. Matter of fact, I think it's on clearance at Sephora. I don't know if they're getting rid of it or not, but this is the shade. As you can see, it's kind of like a yellowy. It has some yellow in it. Just gonna take a sponge and set those conceal areas. I always forget to contour. It's not something I do all the time. Just a tiny bit, because this is the Makeup Revolution. It's Conceal and Define in C15. So just a tiny bit. That's all. Because this is kind of dark. I'm going to take just a random brush. And I'm going to use my Sephora 60 Deep Micro Smooth powder to set the remainder of my face. While dusting away that Too Faced powder. I haven't found a powder that matches this, like a cheaper powder, but I think this is like $24. To set my contour and bronze, I'm going to use the Morphe Deep Glam 8D palette. This shade right here. These two. To bronze. Well, set that contour. I think I'm gonna line my lip with the ColourPop and Sheila BFF4. And I think I'm going to use my Coffee Edition Maybelline, because these are the perfect fall shades. I'm going to put the shade Cocoa around the outer part of my lip. I got too much in my hand. Now I want to take this lighter shade in Caramel for the center. I'm going to use, also got this from Sephora during their sale, the Cover Effects Mattifying Setting Spray. I think Sephora is no longer going to carry the Cover Effects products, so all of these were, oh, it has a little ball in it. All of these were already on sale, and then they had the welcome back coupon code. Okay guys, this is my completed fall look. Something simple, not too complicated at all, and I think these colors mesh together really, really well. As far as this foundation, had I known that it was this good, I probably would have picked it up sooner. But I saw $68 and I was like, there's no way I'm paying $68 for something that I'm just going to leave on the table forever. But I will be using this. I think the color matches me really, really well. It's not heavy at all. Not really sure about the coverage because I really don't have that many dark areas on my face, so I guess it could be buildable or whatever, but I just used, I think, 4 pumps total, and the pumps are really, really small. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and of course I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.